Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol IDRA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Friday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be made. First, going to do is a little house cleaning, just get rid of that line down there. Sure, that level pertains. It's just not necessarily relevant right now. And from the presentation point of view, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's lines and clutter all over the place. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. The first update, though, that does need to be done comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So going into today, right there around 385-ish was that level of resistance, but with the price breaking above it, that is where you would want to see it act as support. And that played out absolutely perfectly. You can see right here on the pullback, that is where the price found support and then actually got a little miniature bounce from there. So 385 is going to be that newest area of support, but by no means is that like a must-hold level or anything like that. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 385, that would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? Nothing complicated as far as resistance levels go other than the fact that the party finally stopped today right up there around $4.20. So that'll be public enemy number one going forward. All in all, though, resistance levels, I mean, they matter, but they don't matter because what matters the most is what this chart is already doing, and that is here, just building these higher bases. So as long as these bases keep getting higher and higher, or if you want to picture those as stair steps, that's right there is the name of the game, building higher stair steps. So overall, great way to start off the week. We'll see if the bulls can continue to build on this momentum or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.